Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing some clips from my visit to Kyoto, which is one of the most beautiful prefectures in Japan. I dressed up in a kimono, I visited the Philosopher's Path, and I also went to a tea ceremony. If you're ever in Japan, Kyoto is definitely one of the top places to visit. It was so much fun. Enjoy! So I am finally at the Philosopher's Path, and this area gets its name from Nishida Kitaro, one of Japan's most famous philosophers, who was said to practice meditation while walking this route on his daily commute to Kyoto University. founder of tea ceremony stated that the tea ceremony can be explained by this simple phrase, Ichigo Ichie, which means one time, one meeting, or one chance encounter. The philosophy teaches us to embrace every new experience that we have, knowing that the moment that we're experiencing right now will never come again. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.